Hello, everybody. We are European Society of Vascular Surgery, and ESVS Academy is one of the committees of ESVS. My name is Zoran Rancic. I'm serving as Academy Chair since October 2025. ESVS Academy is Educational and Training Committee, and today we are going to talk to Elena Iborra, who is Aortic Fellowship Lead. Elena is Chief of Vascular Surgery at the University Hospital in Belvice in Barcelona.
The thing is that the Aortic Fellowship is going on from 2024. It came from an idea from the ESVS Academy for the young vascular surgeons and people who were interested in aortic surgery especially. And I think it was a need to kind of organize a little bit more with all the workshops we have and kind of make some kind of group of people working together and knowing each other. So it was, this is the first edition, the 2-year edition. And we have had 13 people who have worked these 2 years, and they have met in several workshops, and they met kind of link between them.
My question to you, we have some basic, intermediate, and advanced workshops. So know how the participants will select which workshop they should attend.
So depending on the level of the surgeon, particularly, we can help them to decide which workshops to attend. And we think that this it was a very good thing, because I think that it was kind of mentorship with the fellows and make them to be more aware of the needs and the things that would be more necessary for everybody and more worthful.
If I understand it well, the main activities, hands-on workshops.
Yeah, 7 workshops to attend between during this 2-year period, about from all the academy workshops that we have on aortic. On our pathway.
On the other side, you organize also online sessions. Why do we need online sessions?
So there are some online sessions to follow up for the fellows. At least we have performed 3 or 4. And there are some sessions with particular workshops. We try to make that the fellows have contact with the leads of the workshops in person that we have, because some of the fellows won't go to all the workshops. So it's a kind of way to make this contact between the fellows and the workshops in person. And there are also some workshops making links with the key opinion leaders, with the people from the hospitals that afterwards will receive the fellows. And this way, I think that it's a way that they know each other and they have some idea of the people who's doing the fellowship.
That means something to make some community of the participant. And you mentioned at the end of the fellowship, the participants have opportunity to visit one aortic vascular center for a certain time.
There are some hospitals that have offered to host these fellows. They have to choose to spend at least 2 weeks with these centers, and we help them to make contact with the centers, and then we facilitate the coordination of these attendance.
We are going to finish the first Aortic Fellowship at annual meeting in October this year in Belgrade. But the feedback from the participants and from the industry companies who are supporting these activities are really very positive. So we decided to start the second edition on Aortic Fellowship. Can you tell us a little bit some days, how it's going to work?
The idea is opening the timing on mid-May to ask people to consider the fellowship for them. Then we will open some kind of interviews and having into account the CV of the participants and the fellows, and then we'll make some face-to-face interview with each of them to try to make a same community like we have this year.
Dear ESVS members and vascular community, thank you for joining us. Thank you, Elena, for your time. You gave us a really good insight, and we welcome all the people who are interested in vascular surgery, members of ESVS, to become new members of ESVS and join us to our activities. Working together, we can really do something substantial for the vascular community. Thank you very much. Thank you, Elena.